Hey, it's Ian with Touratech USA, and today we're here at BMW Motorcycles of Seattle. They've been kind enough to let us use a 1200GS Adventure and a set of BMW OEM Panniers to show off our new Touratech volume boosters that fit on the BMW OEM Panniers. You can see this case here is expanded on the top with our volume booster. That adds 12 liters of storage capacity to your factory BMW case. And the way these things work is really cool. They interface exactly with the BMW buckle system. They don't need additional keys, they don't need additional locks or anything like that. Let me just show you how it works real quick. You simply reach down and open your BMW buckle like you normally would, and then the intermediate buckle piece you lift up and slide it backward, and then you open the lid just like normal. The volume expander even includes an additional cable that you can just clip into place. That way it's the correct length for when you're hinging the lid open. When you're done with it, just hinge the lid closed, latch down the volume expander latch, and then close the BMW latch and you're ready to go. It's that easy to make your pannier larger. If you want to learn more about this or any other products we have for your bike, visit our website, touratech-usa.com.